Hello, everybody. I hope you're doing super awesome today. And today I'm going to be going over lesson 11, make a list, make a table. So, example 1, in how many ways can an ant return home to point B from point A? Imagine it can only move sideways or up. So we have this one. Okay, so how many ways an ant can return home to point B from point A? Okay, so 6. 6 ways. Next example we have here, how many multiples of 3 are between 8 and 32? 3 times 3 is 9, 8 times 6 is 18, 3 times 9 is 27, 3 times 4 is 12, 3 times 7 is 21, 3 times 10 is 30, 3 times 15 is 3 times 5 is 15, and 3 times 8 is 24. 8 multiples are between 8 and 32, which means that no numbers cross, but it's still a multiple. The product of two numbers is 36. The sum of the number is 15. Find the two numbers. So 1, 36, 2, 18, 3, 12, 4, 9, 6, 6. Two numbers are 3 and 12, right? Because 12 plus 3 is 15. Next part we have here is, in how many ways can you form a 3-digit number using 1, 2, 3 once each time? 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 2, 1, 3, 3, 2, 1. So there are 6 ways. The next one, we have a practice problem, yay! So if you would like to work with me, please do. If not, that's totally awesome as well. So let's just do it like this, right? Because that's different from that one. All right, let's make the square superior. Yeah, so that one's, yeah, that looks good to me. Right, it's different. Next one, let's make the square in the middle. So that makes a different one. This one doesn't really look like a square. Let me redo this one. Uh-oh. Okay. So, we don't have one with the circle at the bottom. So let's do that one. Circle already. And we have one more. So let's see here. We do not have the, see, we have the square in the middle, the triangle in the middle, the circle in the middle. Okay, we have the square on top, triangle on top, circle on top. Which one are we missing? I'm going to give you a couple minutes to see if you can figure it out. If you said triangle, right? Square, circle. Let's see. You are correct. I'm going to go ahead and clear this part. And the next one is, how many multiples of 4 are between 4 and 39? So let's go back to the problem we reviewed with the same kind of question last time. I think it was, it's right here. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 10 is 30, right? So we go on and on, right? So let's go back here. Question is between 4 and 39. So let me get my pen. And here we can say 4 times 1, which is 4, which is right. 4 times 2, 4 times 2 which is 8. That's correct, right? 4 times 3, which is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. I'm going to write over here. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 7, 28. 4 times 8 is 32. And 4 times 9 is 36. See if we go any higher, which is 4 times 10, that would be 40, and that would be going over that. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer to this problem is 9. Let's do a couple more. So let's scroll down here. A spider is positioned at A. So where's A? Right here. A is right here. Okay. And how many ways can the spider return to point B? Okay. So you can go this many ways. Right? So we can go that way, we can go across. So that one. I'm gonna change colors each time. What about 2? Okay. 3. 4. Oh, 5. Oh. So far we have yellow, red, green, blue, pink. So that's 5, right? Let's see about this way. 6. 7. What about 8? You think there's any more? So far we have how many? We have the red, the light green, the dark green, the yellow, the blue, the light blue, the pink, the brown. That's 8 different ways. From here, I can only see 8, but if you have more, definitely leave it in the comments below. The next problem we have here, problem 4. The product of two numbers is 48. The sum of the two numbers is 16. Find the two numbers. So let's go back up here to the example we have, right? No, that's not it. This one is though 36, 2 and 18, 3 and 12, 4 and 6, 6 and 6, right? Because they have to, the product, which is if you multiply them, so they have to equal 36, right? So let's go back down. Number 4. Let's go ahead and get our pen out. And what does it say? Well, it says the product. So, right here, 48, right? The product means multiply, sum means plus, and the number is 16. Okay, so we have 48 times 1. I'm going to make it kind of like a table. Okay, what are other products of two numbers that you can get 48? I'm going to give you a couple seconds to think about it. I'm gonna give you one more minute. Okay, so let me go ahead and fill them in. 24, 2, 16, 3, 12, 4, and 6 and 8. So we know that's not going to be it. No, that's not going to be it. No, that's not going to be it. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Could be it. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's not it. So we know the answer is 12 plus 4, which equals 16, which these two numbers are our answer. Okay, let's move on to the next problem. Here, Jonathan, together with his parents, is taking a family picture. Complete the table below to find the possible sitting arrangements. The first one has been done for you. Okay, so it's kind of the same thing as a spider, right? Or the staircase with the shapes on it. So I'm just gonna do acronyms, or see here, just the letters. So J, M, D, right? D, M, J. Okay, so now each one of them is in the front. Now make sure each one of them is in the back. So J, D, M, right? So we have that, right? And then make sure all of them are in the middle. So the only one I don't see in the middle is Jonathan. Oh wait, no, Jonathan's in the middle. So we have mother, Jonathan, dad. We have Jonathan, mother, dad. Do we have Jonathan, dad, mother? Yes, we do. Do we have dad, mother, Jonathan? Yes. Do we have which one do you think these two could be? So what I'm gonna do is dad, mom, right? So what is the last one? I don't think we have dad, Jonathan, mother. Oh wait, sorry. Dad, mother, Jonathan. You have that one? I don't think we have mom, dad, Jonathan. So that fills in all 6. Gonna go ahead and go to the next one. How many ways can you make the word mayor? So M-A-Y-O-R. M-A-O-O. M-A-Y-O-R. 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 I'm going to start doing it in 3 colors. So far we know we have 3. Right, we can do M-A-Y-O-R, which is 4. M-A-Y-O-R, 5. M-A-Y-O-R. We have M-A-Y What ways have you thought of? So far we have 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'll go ahead and change that to a 6. I think we're going to go with 6. Next one we have, hooray! Aunt Gina is going to treat Jeffer to 2 movies on the same day. Below are the movies shown. It is a tough choice for Jeff. Can you find how many number of choices he has? So let's go ahead and do this one. All right, let's do all the basic 2. Right, we have 1, 2, 3. Then we have 4, 5. Then we have 6. Then we have, are there any more? I'm gonna go with 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gonna go ahead and press clear and scroll down. Oh, this one seems very interesting. I'm excited for this one. So, how many triangles can you draw using any 3 dots below? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we know 6, right? 7, go ahead and erase that and go on to the next problem. Oh, it's kind of the same as the spider. So, the good news for an army of ants at point A is that the food is available at point B. The bad news is that an anteater is waiting at point C. How many ways can the ants safely reach without passing point C? So we can only move side and down. So we cannot go up. So down 1, down 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do you see any more? You can't go that way. I'm going to go with 7 again. Remember, if you think there's more, please do leave it in the comments. Just make sure you let us know what number, what problem number. Okay? Wilford has a 20-cent stamp, 50-cent stamp, and a $1 stamp. How many different postage amounts can he make with these stamps? So, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do 25-cent, 50-cent, dollar. Okay? All right, so we have we can do these two, right? And how much would that be? 75, $1.25, $1.50, right? We can do all of them, $1.75. That's 4. We can also do the 25, the 50, and the 1. So that's 3, 4, or 3, 6, 7 again. I think 7's our lucky number. So let's go ahead and erase that one. Remember, you can always pause or rewind. Water. So this is basically almost the same as the one with the mayor. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. Water, 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 water. So I'm going to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Say 8 for that one. You can also reverse it. Let's see. So I'm going to say 8. Alrighty. $1 bill, three $2 bill, and one $5 bill. How many possible ways can make up the total 7? Find out by completing the table below. So let's see, let's get our pen out, or pencil, or whatever you're using. I'm going to go ahead and do black. So we have 7, 5, 6. We can do 3 $2 bills, which would be 6, one of those. We could also do one $5 bill, one $2 bill. Oh, hold on a second. So 6, 7. Sorry. Let's see, we have 2 more. So we can also do one of each, right? 1 plus 2 plus 5. Nope, that's 8. we could do we can also do 4, or not 4, sorry. 1, and then do, so that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 of those. Oh, looks like they already filled that one in. Then we could do, actually for these two, I want you to think about it for a second. I want you to see if you can figure it out. Gonna give you one more minute. Okay. I hope you're done thinking. So let's think about it. We have 7 $1 bills. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 2 $2 bills and 1 $5 bill, right? So if and only if we take 2, right? How much would that be? $4, right? So I'm going to go ahead and write 2. 3 of these. Okay, another possible way. Another way we can do it is another way we can do it is I think we might be missing the easiest one of all, which is 1 $5 bill, which 5, right? 2 of those. So 1 5, 2 of those. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and clear. The next part we have here is Patrick did well on his report card. His dad decided to give him a treat. He had to choose item each from one of the starter. Okay, so let's go ahead and go like this, right? So we're gonna go like that. We're gonna go like that. We're gonna go like that. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing. Get a new color. That, that. So far we have 6 different ways. There's going to be a lot of different ways here. So now we're going to go right, 1, 2, 3. So that's another 6. It's going to be a lot of possible ways for this one. Next one we have is 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Now, I made a mistake on purpose. Let's do this. Remember, when you do math, you have to make it very neat, very tidy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a different color for each one. Right, so that one, right, beef, and we're going to do one for based, right? Go again, but do a different drink this time. Oh, do a different drink. Maybe he wants a tea, right? So how many is that? 6, right? If we add another 3, that's 9, right? And since clam chowder, it's going to be the same amounts, right? If we add another 9, that would be 18. So I'm going to go ahead and clear. And we have 2 more problems left. So 5 red balls, 5 white balls, 3 green balls. Nelson is blindfolded before he 3 balls. List all the possibilities. Okay, this will be fun to draw. So if you want to go ahead and draw this with me, please feel free. So first of all, we have 5 white balls, right? Or 5 red balls. I'm going to do black for white. And then I'm going to do green. Okay. I'm going to use my yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, pick a new color. Uh-oh. Oh man. So we know 7, right? I think there may be one more possibility. So let's look just to make sure we didn't miss it. So 3 reds, 3 greens, 3 browns. Or 3 blacks. Right? Well, in this case, whites, but same thing. 1, 4. Another one. We gotta do 2 red, 1 black. 2 red, 1 green. That's 2 more possibilities, right? We can do 2 black, 1 red, 2 black, 1 green. That's 2 more, right? 2 green, 1 red, 2 green, 1 black. That's also 2. So how much is that? We have 7, 9 plus 2. So 13 possibilities. And the last one, let's see. Oh, okay. Amanda and Nancy have 60 altogether. Amanda has 10 more than Nancy. How much does each of them have? So 60 minus 10 is 50. 50 divided by 2 is 25. 25 plus 10 is 35. Amanda has 35 and Nancy has 25. The sum of the two numbers is 100. The difference is 20. So we added 20 right there. Find the two numbers. 100 minus 20 equals 80. 80 divided by 2 is 40. 40 plus 20 is 60. And the two numbers are 60 and 40. Alrighty, that completes the video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in to Lesson 11, Make a List, Make a Table, where we went over how to figure out how many possible outcomes could be in many different scenarios using shapes, numbers, and currency. Thank you so much for watching, and have an amazing day. Make sure to leave any extra possibilities in the comment section, and like I said, goodbye.